Do you know why we start drawing columns 1 month before Sankranti? Let me tell you. That month is called Dhanurmasam. It's not just a ritual, it's a practice of sharing food with nature. Columns were drawn using rice flour, so ants, birds, and small creatures could eat during the cold season. Sankranti is not just a festival of harvest, it's a festival of gratitude to farmers, cattle, and nature itself. Traditionally, columns were drawn only with rice flour, not for beauty, not for colors, but to feed life. Ants, birds, hens, and small creatures depended on this during Dhanurmasam. That was the real purpose behind daily Muggulu. Today, we have turned columns into decoration, filled with artificial colors that look good but serve no purpose. If we cannot completely avoid colors, that's fine, but at least draw the borders and outlines using rice flour. Even that small step helps birds and hens find food, just like our elders intended. Tradition does not mean copying designs, it means understanding why we do it. This Sankranti, let's not erase the meaning in the name of beauty. Keep the color if you like, but keep the rice flour too.